Hello student, class 10 science. Welcome to in the Ramula classes. Chapter 2 acids, bases and salts, and topic is acid base indicator. Indicator are substances which indicate the acidic or basic nature of solution by the color change. We can divide it into 2 to 3 categories, which is natural, second is synthetic, and third one is olfactory indicators. First, we can define the natural indicator. Will briefly what is natural indicator. Then we can explain as indicators originally found or obtained from natural source are called natural indicators. Some common indicators are litmus, turmeric, red cabbage, and China rose. Now, the A is litmus. Litmus is a water-soluble mixture of different dyes extracted from lichens. There are two types of litmus paper. First is blue litmus, second is red litmus. How can identify the solution? In acidic medium, blue litmus paper turn to red, and in basic medium, red litmus paper turn to blue. The second example of natural indicator is turmeric. The active ingredient present in turmeric is curcumin as an acid-base indicator, that is yellow in acidic and neutral solution, and orange or red brown is basic solution. In neutral, like example, is remain yellow, and in acid it also remain yellow, but in case of S-base it turn to red. Right now, the next second type of indicator is synthetic indicator. What is synthetic indicator? Synthetic indicator, namely indicator that are synthesized in the laboratory, are known as synthetic indicator. The best example of synthetic indicator are phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Phenolphthalein is a colorless liquid. It remains colorless with acid but turn into pink with a base. And methyl orange is originally orange in color. It's turned into red with acid and turn into yellow with base. Right now, the third one is olfactory indicator. What is the olfactory indicator? Substance which change their smell with mixed with acid or base are known as olfactory indicators. Example is onion and vanilla. Paste or juice of onion loses its smell when added with base. It does not change its smell with acid. This is the best example of olfactory indicator. It's depend on their smell. Right? I hope you all are understand the acid base indicator. Thanks for watching.